What's up, guys? It's Ant here, and today we are going to be extracting shadows from our t-shirts. In today's case, we have a white t-shirt here. First thing we have to do is head on up to our t-shirt and let's make a copy of that. We can do it one of two ways. We can click and drag it on down to this plus sign right here, or we can hit Control J and that makes a copy. Now with that copy being selected, we will head on over here to our channels and let's Control click on our RGB channel. So with that being selected, now the only thing we have to do is invert this. And the way we do that is like this. Hit Control, Shift, and I. And that inverts. So then we can head back over to our layers right here. Make sure our shirt copy is selected. And we will head on down to our adjustment layers. Click on that and head up to solid color. Now we have solid color. Now we already see that it's done something, but it's not the color we want because we don't want our shadows to be red. Not in this case. So we will move on down right here and make the shadow black and click OK. All right, so that looks good. Now let's check our results. Let's deselect our shirt and our shirt copy. And we can see right here that we've made some progress. Now, if we wanted to make that a tad bit darker, the only thing we'd have to do is hit Control J with our utmost layer, the layer we just created, selected, hit Control and J. That makes a copy and it makes it darker for us. Now I am okay with just one, so I'll leave it like so. But now the only thing we have to do is head down to our shirt layer. Let's turn on our shirt. And then what we can do is we can hit Control and click. And now we've selected our t-shirt. Now the only thing we have to do now is head back to our adjustment layers and go up to solid color, hit the solid color. Now we can change this to any color we like. So let's just say if we did maybe a spunky lime green. Never seen it before, but that works for me. Okay, and now we have that. And then of course, all we have to do is move this layer down on top of our shirt layer and we are golden. Okay, so for organizational purposes, what we'll do is we'll name this. This will be shadows. And this will be shirt color. That looks good. And this is our copy here. That's fine. Now, of course, let's just say we wanted another color because we offer a variation of colors to our customers. Only thing we have to do is double click on that and let's just go with the spunky kind of purplish, I guess. That looks good. Click OK, and that's all we have to do, guys. So we'll take this file, we'll save this file, so when we want to do another color or do another color variation for our t-shirts, that's the only thing we have to do. And we can place our designs right on the chest or wherever we want to place them, and we are absolutely golden. There you have it, guys. One of the easiest and most simple ways to extract shadows from your t-shirts in Photoshop. Like always, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.